How to add link to images on Canva. Today I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to link images on Canva. So simply go to canva.com first and open up any project. So let me just quickly open any random project from here. So I'm going to scroll down. If not, you could just go ahead and create a completely new project. What I'm going to do here is first select an image to link it to. So here is this smiley face. What I'm going to do is right click on it and then you'll find the link option. I'll just paste the URL here. So let me just go to youtube.com. And once you have done that, just click on done. So it will automatically link to YouTube. So what you can do is you can embed this on your website if you want. So click on share. And now you can click on see all and click on embed. You can get the embed link from here. Click on embed and copy the link. So if you're trying to embed this on any website, you can copy the link from here, or you could just directly download it. But remember, when you download, if you download it on JPEG or PNG, this won't work. You are going to have to download it on the PDF format. So go ahead and select PDF and then download. Once you do that, just wait for it to completely download. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and open this file up once it's downloaded. All right, so if I just click on it, it will open up the PDF. And here you'll find the smiley face linked. So as you can see, if I move my cursor here, it will show the pointer. If I click on this smiley face, it will redirect me to youtube.com. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.